This is crazy. It is snowing and we're here hunting teeth. I've never hunted teeth before in the snow, so ban a moment. Fossildiva with me way down there hunting. See what we can find. That's unexpected. Modern tiger. Pretty sweet one too. There it is. Proof. I have drifts of snow on my collecting bag. Whatever will I do? I should have brought a snow shovel. Never before have I seen the dedication to hunting. Look at this. It is straight up snowing under a fallen tree. The roots sticking out, dirt falling down your coat, and you are sifting.
Heck yeah. And finding stuff.
Yeah. You know why? Because that's how you roll. Good luck.
Thanks, you too. What have we here? That is a big ball. Wow. Alligator. Stingray.
There it is. That's a beauty.
Alright.
Whipped cream in it in the ditch.
Hang on. We're not done yet.
This is the Fossildiva at work. Look at that.
Get a little peppermint mocha up in here. Cheers.
Cheers. All right.
What?
I gotta pull this thing out real careful. Set this here because there's a lot of gravel in there.
Oh my.
That is tapir.
Look at that jaw. Woo!
Awesome.
Good find.
Thanks. All right, here it is, all cleaned up. Tapir jaw. All 6 teeth there. Definitely the only one of these I've ever found. And it's in really, really great shape. Get close up on those teeth so you can see them there. You might have should have seen a dentist, but for the most part, they're all in pretty good shape.